your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So across the state of Florida, there still is a dense fog advisory for the northern sections of the state into the Panhandle. It does not include our area. That said, there are some places where the fog is still a little bit on the thick side and could cause some slowdown in your morning commute. A little bit of an ease up on the gas pedal, low beam headlights required, a little more distance between cars, that sort of thing. Quarter-mile visibility in Sarasota, so at the airport near the coastline. So clearly visibility is reduced there, but check it out. Punta Gorda coming in with a 5-mile visibility, and take a look at the webcam from Lakewood Ranch. As I put it into motion over the last 6 hours, you'll notice some passing clouds in the picture, but certainly nothing like the fog that yesterday obscured completely the lights in the distance. So, you know, just a different day, and the situation is such that the fog may be thick in some locations. It may be not quite as thick in other locations. I think the most likely locations for the thickest of the fog might be right along the immediate coastline. And I say that because sea fog that forms right along Gulf waters could be blown onshore by this southwesterly wind component. But we've got a little extra cloud cover out there this morning. We've got a little bit stronger wind speed, so that helps in reducing the amount of fog that we might see today. Nonetheless, be aware, it's out there in places. 71-degree air temperature, dew point a match, 100% relative humidity. Temperatures across the state generally coming in the 60s, upper 60s to near 70. We have 70s near the coastline with 71 in Bradenton, Sarasota. Venice coming in at 72, Northport at 73, and then inland temperatures just a tad cooler. Wauchula at 68, Myakka at 69. And Arcadia comes in at 70. No rain falling from any of the cloud that you saw on that webcam time lapse, but you know, we have the possibility today of seeing a little bit of patchy drizzle or maybe a quick passing shower. But really, total rainfall amounts today will be negligible, and the best time for those rain showers will probably be in the later afternoon, second half of the afternoon, 3 o'clock to about 5, 6, 7 o'clock, something like that. There's the ragged line of showers located just to our north that could be the culprit that produces a few of those patchy spots of drizzle or maybe a little passing shower. Again, though, it's not a very strong front, and it certainly is not going to be any kind of a toad strangler around here. We have a frontal boundary kind of stalled off to our north that's going to wash away. That's the one producing those showers. So we're left with, again, just like the last several days, that patchy morning fog. That'll be around again tomorrow morning as well. Then we get the clouds lifting as the fog breaks away, and we get some sunshine afterwards when the fog begins to mix. And then we get warmer than average afternoon temperatures. Now another stronger front back to the west approaches on Christmas. That one could cause some travel worries over the weekend, I think, especially in the northeast as we get that low pressure area producing some heavier rain showers and then some snow showers in down east Maine, down into the New York area, and some very chilly temperatures. West wind at about 10 knots, and some of that chillier air will eventually work its way southward. We'll look for about a 10% chance of a late day shower today. Temperatures in the 80s through the weekend, and then on Monday about a 20% chance early on of a shower, passing rain, and then some cooler temperatures filtering in by the second half of the day on Monday into Tuesday and Wednesday.